Ha?
17 po. 17 po. Whoa!
Ilang days na lang before I leave.
3 days. Or including today. So technically 3.
Eh,
Mamamas ka.
arr,
Mag-call you every day.
arr,
I'm a visit your house every week.
arr. Dapat lang.
Oh!
Joke lang. Too much na. Kahit once a month lang.
Because I want to go to your house. So I miss you less. So there's traces of shame there.
You call me Shane?
Traces of shame.
You call me Shane?
Yes.
I am not Shane to you. I am...
Your book.
Eh. Tignan mo yung roots ko. Showing na ba yung roots ko, Sam? Sabi?
Sorry.
Ayos.
Ang dami ng kare-kare ito. Sino ito yung cheese ko?
Pampano? Pampano?
Magawa po pag kare-kare ko.
Okay guys, I forgot to vlog. I'm so sorry. We are focused sa pagkain yun. Lumpia Shanghai. It's good without the sauce. Pampano. Nagawa nga niyang tanggalin.
Sabi mo, bad ka ba ito?
Sa Chinese kasi, pag may fish, you have to tanggal yung, what do you call that? Tinik. Nang hindi piniflip. Kasi bad na po yun. Eh, nagawa niya. Very good. Very good. Very good na siya. I think may enjoy niyo yung kansi.
Ikaw tama.
Hindi ko. Ang dami nating pagkain sa bahay. Kayo na lang tumikip ni Daddy. Wow. Sam. Nga, dali. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Hindi ko na na-record guys, but we ate here at Cali Cafe. Wala, hindi mo na-record eh. Ay! Naipit! Patroma na. Mi, pwede?
We drop dito off.
Mami, pwede ba?
Hindi nga makapag-concentrate dyan, Chi.
Mami, pwede?
Let's let Tita be first.
Ha?
Let Tita be first. Let her...
Kausapin mo lang pagka wala na yun.
Ano na naman?
Loko ka, naka-camera ka pa. Naka-video ka pala. Ano ba yan?
Vin is surprising me today. Huh? Surprising me with...
Tears.
Ano? Tears ka dyan. Papayakan pala ako na to eh. Sasama ko talaga sa vlog yun.
Guys, we're going shopping for puppy.
No. Kunin na talaga natin yung ano. Kasi wala akong hand carry na bag na kakasya dun sa ano. My God. Last 2 days ko na here on Earth. Ay,
What the f?
on Philippines pala.
On Philippines, in the
Ay, in the Philippines pala. On Earth kasi sabi ko eh.
Ba't ka? Ba't mo sinasabi yun?
Totoo naman eh.
Hello? Pero ulo ka eh. What do you think? Looks pretty decent, no?
Huwag mo masyado igpit, ano?
Yung same as kanina?
Oo. Maganda din talaga gold dito. Oo nga.
Medyo off na, no? Kasi tatlong color siya.
Yeah.
Gold things are coming po. Gold plated tayo, ma'am.
Meron din po.
Ayan po, makapo. Eto po.
You're a gold girl, I'm a silver guy.
Hindi nga.
That's why I don't... That's why I only wear silver necklaces. Silver rings.
Yes. Char. Ako naman.
So sweet naman. Whoa, it's perfect. What?
Diba?
No, it's perfect fit on your wrist.
Dalawa po talaga siya.
Ah, okay. I thought it was just perfectly made.
Para sa chain din po ng necklace.
That
Chain
is
and necklace.
crazy nice.
Ito po, may adjustment din.
Ah.
Option.
Wow, bling bling. You're a rap star?
Balbon ko naman. Check ko lang.
Oh, bling bling.
Mas nagustuhan mo to, di ba?
That's what caught my eye first. And then you told me this
Actually,
one.
Yeah, manipis siya.
But now I kind of
sakto
see
lang.
why you said gold looks better on you.
Why?
Parang it complements it better with your skin tone.
Mm.
Because the silver one is like, looks
Masyado ba?
good, but like, I guess it just doesn't
Para lang makita natin. Gusto mo?
highlight.
Same price po siya?
Mas mataas yung price po.
Kasi may gold na siya eh.
Opo, pag may ibang ano na siya. Ganito na.
Tsaka
12,450, ma'am.
mas maliit yung ano niya, stones niya.
Opo.
Oh, nga,
Ito
no?
yung
Compare
ano
dito.
niya, ma'am.
Oh yeah, it's this
Ah.
one.
Ano to, ma'am.
This is different. It's like teeth, baby teeth. Grills.
Hindi mo, anong difference for you? Mas maganda talaga to? Or...
No. I kind of like this one more than this one, but
Pero maganda naman din sa akin. No? Or...
I guess if it's just one.
Yeah.
Miss, what do you think is better for her? This or this? Diba parang mahirap kasi mag-design ko?
Ito po, yung manipis.
Yeah, see? I have an eye for things. That's why I steal all... I don't steal.
Hindi, maganda naman din actually. Pero naano ko lang, naisip ko lang bigla nung nakita ko to. Parang
It's what the
sisikat
famous-
siya recently.
We'll get it minute.
Sa akin po. Meron, sabi ko bibili lang ako ng malete.
Ako nga rin.
Anong plano mo? Anong plano mo? Why? Parang mas nagulat pa ako dito kasi doon sa sapatos na tingnan natin sa kabila.
Ay, grabe naman yun.
Grabe na eh.
Sapatos lang kasi.
Diba?
That's my meron.
Hindi, iba si Wish Me Man. Bunny yun eh.
Big and big.
Pretty. Little baby.
In 3, we're on.
Anong meron? Di, anong meron? Isa ba ito sa plano mo? I feel like I don't deserve this.
Oh. Wow. Wow, ni Pandora, wow.
Ang scary, hindi ko na ito tatanggalin.
Wow.
Pag sinuot ko to sa Italy.
Wow.
Talagang baka may...
Fake fuck up.
Big bakit tapos sinanggal dito sa wrist.
They go like this, no? People steal jewelry like that, though.
Water. Ay!
Meron po kayong non-fold. You like?
Bakit doon ko? Bakit hindi red spoon? Maglalasang ano to?
Wood.
Alamig!
Konti na. Coral.
Alam niya, sabi ko bibili lang maleta. Yung hand carry na luggage. Kasi wala akong ganon. So, dumaan kami ng angko. Kinita namin si Bert kasi naiwan niya sa akin yung Jisoo fan niya. And then, babalik na sana pero nakakita ng Pandora. Ano ba to? Ayaw talaga ako sagutin. Tapos ito, ice cream. Kasi hindi pa kami kumakain. Nabaliw yung maps mo. Big girl na ako.
Big girl ka.
Big girl na ako na mag-work na.
Big girl ka. Big girl.
Magkaiba yan natin, Bob, no?
Ano?
Ikaw,
Big girl.
working ka sa
Big
corporate na industry, pero ako sa gatong service, like customer. Ano kaya ang feeling na nag-work ka sa ganyan? Very stressful. Kasi sa amin, more on physical kami, di ba?
Tingnan ko mas maganda yung sa inyo. Feel
Why?
ko. Because nothing is constant. Every day is a new experience kasi everyday new people. Same ka-work siguro, pero yung mga sinaserve nyo different.
Are we going sa BGC?
No?
BGC.
No po. Whatever you're thinking and we're not going there. Not now.
What
Not
do you mean?
BGC. Not BGC.
Hindi,
Well,
what do you
next
mean
time
whatever
na.
I'm thinking? Bakit? May pupunta ba dapat tayo doon?
Before, di ba?
Umano ta? BGC ba yun? Sorry. Guys, kaya lang naman hindi na tuloy umanota kasi nakita ko. Hindi ko alam paano ko nahulaan yun. Pero wala ko tinitingnan talaga nun. So plano niya dapat ako dalhin sa umanota ng birthday ko pero nalaman ko na agad so
binilin ko lang siya ng pabango po.
yun ang surprise. Pero saan kaya ngayon? Ito naman pala, nakalagay naman dito di ba?
Hindi.
Anong pilin?
Mismo ano lang yun.
Ha?
Wag! Talaga eh, ma'am. Pakalamero eh.
Nalalaman ko lagi kung saan pupunta. Saan kaya to?
You keep looking whenever you naman, I don't look.
Kasi hindi mo nalalaman kung kailan ako magsusurprise sa'yo. Kasi magaling ako.
Oh.
Keep up! Keep
Oy.
up! Pati ng kilikili ko.
Stop. Bango. 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 Bango, bango.
Wow! Ikaw nga ba?
Hindi ko alam yun.
So, sinaylo.
Hindi ko pa alam paano.
Wow!
Wow! Wala.
Kano ka ba?
Bleh.
What is this? Where are you taking me, sir? Dito ako dumadaan pag papuntang BGC the alley. Buffet?
Oh, I guess so. Para sabi lang.
Vikings? Ano to? Akala ko mamaya 4 ba tayo?
Hindi nga. Kailangan ba mga parking? So may art po. Art road? Art road.
Sinabi na.
Ito.
Hindi na lang.
Sinabi ko na tuloy. Ito po. Art road. Yes. Pwede po mag-park dito?
Hindi na gumagana sa akin. Hindi gumagana talaga yung surprises sa akin.
Why?
Kasi nga nalalaman ko kaagad. Sana binulong mo kay kuya. Uy!
Dito ko diba? Ito hanggang.
Paano? Gagawin ko.
Sige.
Ay, ang kulit! Hindi ba okay? Uy! Sinayalong!
Ha! Push mo!
Hi, welcome. All right, what are your names?
May Vincent.
Okay, I'm Mika. I'm the coordinator
Hello.
here. Yeah, I'll show you the items we have on hand.
Lamig.
Yeah, very
Ako,
cool.
bro.
Yeah, so this is what we have right now. So we have our mug, the chunky mug. So these are new items. We also have matcha bowls or matcha cups. We have baby faces if you want something quirky. This is also a new item. It's called the chalice. We have plates. We also have the mushroom. You can open it and use it as a container.
You want me to get my hoodie? Or like at least like a polo shirt? Far over, sir?
I have an idea actually. We have an apron that is also kind of like a jacket. So you can just put this over you. This can serve as your apron.
Oh, there, yeah,
Thank you.
that's better.
Doing? What you doing?
Tumingin.
Oo nga, tinignan mo na yung akin eh.
Of course.
Okay, let's drive na. We are done with our creations. Okay, ikaw muna. You go first. Hey.
Oh, okay. First, okay. First of all, my first design was this supposed doo-doo, but damn horror. Okay.
Naging grizzly bear.
The next one, the logo of the game where we met, even though it doesn't look like it.
Pwede mong lagyan ng border talaga.
Okay, I'll put the red marker later. And then next one I drew, well, I didn't really draw it. I put like the logo of the motorcycle I really wanted, still want. I won't yet. And then I put our favorite dog. It doesn't look like a dog. It looks slanted too. So we stretch with little hair, and you know, I don't even see the teeth, but it's like white teeth. And then lastly I put the heart there in the middle with my thumb. And just my name, that got smudged.
Okay. Same lang din sa akin. Pero this time, it's Bubu. Bubu Dubu. And then,
Budu.
gaya-gaya siya eh. Ako nauna dito sa Valorant logo eh. Ginandahan ko lang siya. And then, this one, it's supposed to be a matcha, pero hindi ko alam bakit ganyan yung itsura niya. Mukha na siya Starbucks though. I will ayos it pa. Ito. Para magmukha siyang mug. And then this one, figure it out. Kasi ito yung favorite phrase namin nung una kami nag-uusap. Dahil parehas kaming red flag.
What?
Eh, sabi namin,
The fudge?
figure it out.
It's you only.
Excuse me. Ayan. And then, my name, May. Naisip ko nga eh. Gusto kong coloran tong loob. What do you think? Pwede ba? Para pag naglalagay ako ng...
Hindi siya matutuyo niyan, diba sabi ko?
I'll mix the red and the pink. Kasi like, i-coat ko yung loob. Wanna make it girly-girly talaga.
Smell good.
Thank you.
This looks more pink than that. Kulang siya ng white pa.
White
I
ba?
suggest you just get the red and put it on the white.
Yun?
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay, I paint na.
Yeah. I don't know how long we can take it though.
Ano, look mo. Diyan. Diba? Para at least may color lang, Bob. Nangilayan ako sa bayat eh.
It's okay. Mine's okay.
Iuwi ko talaga yan. Yung sa'yo.
Mm-hmm.
Dagdagan mo.
Okay. Bye guys.
Hey, I like yung pagka-pink niya.
You know the sushi paper?
Da?
Yung sushi, pag, like the sushi, parang fake grass.
Ah! Sorry. Pakita mo. Oh, gusto ko din maglagay ng ano dito. What if lagyan ko ng V sa loob?
Is it working out?
Yes po. Okay. Ano sa phone? Wait lang. Raise mo lang to.
Raise ko?
Yun lang namin.
Stretch.
Atcha. Okay. Hey guys, we're going to our next stop, which is where?
Hey boys!
Which is where? Answer.
Tondo, Manila.
Di pa rin niya sinasabi kung saan, pero feeling ko Umanoto to.
Umanoto,
I keep telling you, manood tayo sa BGC.
Saan ba kasi to? Ah! Wala pa kaming lunch. Wala pa kaming breakfast. Wala pa kaming lunch. And this...
Actually guys, ginugutom ko lang talaga siya.
Nakakainis. Isasama ko talaga to. Bobby, thank you po. I like po yung activity kanina. The art buds. Kahit di po kami artsy and crafty. I like it po. Hindi lang namin nadala today kasi kailangan pa siya patuyuin. So, papadala na lang siya.
Awful.
So, hintayin ko na lang saan ako dadalhin ni Vincent Cornell. I'm gonna send you guys my location para if ever kidnapin ako na to. You know where to find me.
But it's there.
Ayan, tutulungan ko ulit si Vin para
Oh, teka.
hindi na naman ako masasurprise.
Ito mo na ka.
Ito ba dito? Pwede naman ata dito eh.
Dito.
Yeah, I think so. Yan ba yan?
Opo.
Wow! Ay, gutom na. Kinutom mo talaga ako.
Oh, mo. Hindi naman.
Filipino food.
What
For
if
the
you-
last time ba ba?
Ito yung partner
Oh, ito yung ano. Saan mo ito nahanap?
Yeah. Vlog and order.
Smile. Smile, Bobby. Umayos ka nga.
Oh, Jimon. How di ba?
Thank you, Bobby. Thank you very much po for the food.
Welcome.
Okay. We rate the food, the kansi first. The kansi was
So small.
not what we expected kasi tawag dito yung kansi kahapon pa kami nag-crave and then nung kinain namin kanina sobrang kulang niya pero di ba papang kansi may asim talaga the mussels okay lang pero sabi ni Bob is parang luma siya
Yeah, it tastes weird. That's a weird taste.
tsaka parang maano siya makunat sobrang kunat niya. No, yung mga unang kain ko okay pa eh. Pero nung tumatagal na, hindi ko alam kung related ba yun or ano. Tapos, Vincent, what am I saying kanina? The shrimp. What's your comments? Shrimp.
It was okay. Like, nothing special.
Dito ka siya masarap, guys.
Yeah, ain't nothing special but the place and how hard it is to get there. That's all.
Actually, maganda naman talaga yung ambience niya and everything. Na ano lang ako. Sobrang gutom lang talaga kami. Kaya, everything sa amin masarap. Every food masarap po.
What is speed doing? 60? 80?
60. Perfect. Too good to be true. Too good to be true. Running. Okay. With you. With you. Each moment. I'm sorry. Make it right. I'm on it. Bobby, look, ang ganda po ng necklace sa binigay mo.
Ay,
Thank you po. We're here at MOA po. Bakit ako punta namin si Tuta and si Momay. And then, we eat again kasi hindi pa busog si Bobby.
uy, ako lang ba?
I'm full na. Ikaw hindi pa.
Eh, yung parents, yung mga family ba kaya lang?
Yun lang. Hindi ko sure. Joke lang daw, oh. Ayun, oh.
Ano oras?
Joke lang. Joke. What? Ay, Tuta. Yan na naman yung jeans niyo.
Ganda na.
Iba. Yeah, the jorts pala, the jorts.
Shorts.
Okay.